Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And once again, back with another recipe for iftar, and that is very, very simple, especially for the ladies who are working and coming back home late after 5 or 6 and have no time to prepare for iftar. Still, you can make something special from your family in just 5 to 10 minutes of time, and that recipe is one of my favorite, which is sweet corn vegetable with chicken soup, and this has a flavor of soya sauce in it. Exciting. So chalo, I'll show you how I make this recipe. It's just going to take 5 minutes for you to make this recipe, and it's going to be super delicious, and it's healthy as well. So let's start with the recipe. Okay, to make this yummy soup, we need a nice clean pot in which we will be adding 10 grams of unsalted butter or salted butter, it's up to you. And then we will add minced chicken. This is about 100 grams of minced chicken, and I'm just going to cook this chicken until the entire water oozes out from the chicken and the chicken gets tendered. Once the water oozes out, you can see the water, it has oozed out. And now I'm going to add nicely smashed corn, which is pre-boiled and smashed, along with some smashed vegetables again, which are pre-boiled and smashed a bit, along with 1 cube of chicken stock, which you get easily in any stores. I'm just going to add around 2 glasses of water to it and close the lid and let it come to a slight boiling point. And once it comes to a slight boiling point, I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, along with 2 to 3 teaspoons of soya sauce to it. And now I'm going to mix all this together and close the lid and let this cook for at least about 2 to 3 minutes, or until I get a slight boil or good boil into it. As you can see, it's boiling now, and now I have added like a few chopped spring onions to it. Mix it, and then 1 small egg white, and as I'm adding it, I'm just whisking the soup wells to get nice egg white layers in it. As you can see, the layers are formed and it looks so beautiful. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it and then close it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And now last, I'm just going to add around 1 glass of cornstarch, okay, and mix it. As you can see, the soup has thickened it up and it's ready to be served. I'll just close it and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, after which the soup is ready for me to be served to the family. So this we enjoyed, as for our iftar opening, and believe me, it is so healthy and so refreshing to have such a delicious soup after an entire day of fast. This can be easily replaced with the ganji, which you people must have been trying, and I'm sure you will definitely love this recipe. So do give this a try and enjoy, and share your comments in the comment section below. You stay tuned with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. There's still lots more to come, and I will be back soon with another recipe. Till then, you take care. Allah Hafiz.